Imagine a world where even a split-second delay could spell disaster, where lives, industries, and society itself relied on the precision of a pocket watch. During the Industrial Revolution, this was not a distant threat, but a daily reality. Once a symbol of luxury, pocket watches became indispensable tools for trained conductors, factory managers, and industrial workers. These meticulously crafted timepieces weren't just about telling time, they were the backbone of progress, ensuring coordination and safety as factories hummed and railroads expanded across nations. In the early days of rail travel, the absence of standardized time posed serious risks. Each town operated on its own local time, typically set by the sun or a town clock. This led to chaos when railroads began connecting distant cities, often resulting in tragic accidents, particularly on single-track routes where trains relied entirely on precise timekeeping to avoid collisions. Without synchronized schedules, disaster loomed at every turn. A reliable pocket watch carried by conductors and engineers became the first line of defense. If their watches were inaccurate or out of sync, the consequences could be fatal. One of the most pivotal moments in railroad history was the 1891 Kipton train collision in Ohio. A 4-minute stop on an engineer's pocket watch led to a devastating head-on collision between two trains, killing 8 people. This tragedy underscored the necessity of precise timekeeping on the railroads and prompted a sweeping reform. Webb C. Ball, a Cleveland jeweler, was appointed chief time inspector and produced the Ball Standard, which mandated that pocket watches used by railroad workers be accurate within 30 seconds per week. These watches were regularly inspected, and conductors carried them with pride, knowing that the safety of countless lives rested on the precision of their timepieces. The push for precision wasn't just about safety. It had far-reaching effects, including the establishment of standardized time zones in 1883, which later spread globally. The demand for accuracy extended beyond conductors to telegraph operators and station masters, whose pocket watches synchronized the increasingly complex schedules of a rapidly industrializing society. Watches were no longer mere accessories. They were indispensable tools that ensured the coordination of labor and transportation on a scale previously unimaginable. To meet the rigorous demands of the railroads, companies like Waltham and Elgin produced watches with enhanced durability and precision. These timepieces featured anti-magnetic protection, dust-proof enclosures, shock resistance, and the lever set mechanism, which prevented accidental time adjustments. Such innovations were critical in maintaining the reliability of these watches as they traveled thousands of miles, safeguarding both passengers and crew. Over time, the railroad watch standards set by Ball became benchmarks of quality and craftsmanship, influencing timepieces far beyond the railroad industry. Some key railroad watch standards were accuracy within 30 seconds per week, 16 or 18 size movements, minimum of 17 joules for improved accuracy and reduced friction, clear, open-face design with a stem at 12 o'clock and bold Arabic numerals, adjusted for temperature variations, and 5 positions to ensure consistency in all conditions, equipped with lever set mechanisms to prevent accidental adjustments, and resistant to shocks and magnetic fields. The legacy of the pocket watch transcends its practical function. It became a symbol of the Industrial Revolution's focus on efficiency, discipline, and precision. These watches were not just timekeepers, they were life-saving instruments, ensuring that society could operate with the same reliability as the machines they helped coordinate. So, next time you glance at your wristwatch or smartphone, remember the humble pocket watch, a tool that shaped the modern world by ensuring that every second truly counted.